So, you want to start a successful business, huh? Well, my name is Jada Renee, and I own a body butter business. So, I'm going to teach you how to start a successful body butter business. You ready? Let's go. So, the first thing that you need to do when starting a body butter business is you need to figure out a recipe. Now, there are many recipes on YouTube or Google. They're everywhere. TikTok. You can find a recipe, honestly, anywhere. Now, once you get that recipe, you will need to do test trials and test runs. You're gonna have to master your recipe to make it perfect for you and how you like it. Now that you got your recipe, you need to get your products, your ingredients, and how you're gonna buy it all. Now, some people like to shop on Amazon, but there are plenty of places where you can buy them wholesale in bulk for cheaper prices than on Amazon. And make sure when you purchase, you buy in bulk. 1, it's cheaper. 2, it's gonna last you longer. 3, when your business sells out, because it's gonna sell out. When it sells out, you can re-up real fast. Third thing is, when buying all this stuff, set a budget. So when you set a budget and you figure out, oh, this is what I'm going to do, you stick to that budget. Now, once you start getting into business, you're gonna need to keep track of your expenses. Not only is this to show how much you profited and what your business financials looks like, but it's also going to be great for taxes. Yes, during taxes time. Yes. So keep track of your expenses, and there are things like QuickBooks or other apps really to use that'll help you keep track of your expenses so that way you don't get lost. Also, keep all your receipts. You've bought everything, you've made all the product. Now it's time to sell out. Yes. How are you going to do that? Promote. You are going to promote your business like it's the last thing on earth. You're going to promote your business like it's oxygen. Can't nobody in this world live without oxygen. That is how you're going to promote your business, and that is how you're going to sell out. That is how you are going to get those orders. How can you promote? Posting on Instagram, TikTok. TikTok is very great. It's a very hot platform right now. Any type of social media or brand ambassadors. These are people that showcase your products. Either you give them to them for free. Most of the time you get these products for free. Or you can have people purchase these products and you do affiliate links. Another way of promoting is through ads. Now, I've seen a lot of TikToks where they go through their expenses and everything to see exactly how much they actually made. And when I tell you, there are people that have spent thousands of dollars on ads. They have spent thousands of dollars on ads. And many of those people will tell you that, child, it wasn't even worth it. I mean, it depends on what you're going for, honestly. And on Instagram, it'll ask you, do you want more website visits, profile visits, or sales? You know, you choose which one you want. Now, here is what's most important when starting and running a successful business. You must stay focused, my child. You must work hard. And you must fight through the pain. There are going to be ups and downs through running any type of business or doing anything that you're actually passionate about. So stay focused and make sure you work hard. Another thing that you want to do is don't compare yourself to anybody else's business. Your business is your business. Your business has something that somebody else's business doesn't have. There are thousands of lip gloss businesses, even now body butter businesses, crock charms, people that do stickers. Look at all these places that sell burgers. McDonald's, Wendy's, Whataburger, Burger King, Carl's Jr., thousands of places that sell burgers. But if I go to McDonald's, I know that I'm gonna get something different on this burger. But if I go to In-N-Out, oh, this is a whole different type of burger. So don't compare yourself to other people's business. Don't compare your business to other people's business. I promise you, somebody is going to see your business and they're going to be like, this is why I want to buy from her. Make them want to buy from you for some type of reason. So I hope y'all really enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe because there's more videos coming. And don't forget to comment down below videos that you want to see so that way your business can hit the top. Yeah. So just remember to stay focused and do you, boo-boo. See y'all in the next video.